we live in a hyper-connected world. It is more connected than ever, and it is going to be that way. Now, if as a user, everything is more personalized for me, it's intuitive, is as per my needs, whether be it booking a cab or eating out or ordering something. So why should admissions be any different? So this question, when came up to the mind, compelled us to go back to our drawing board and to bring to you industry first Student Admission Portal 2.0. As an applicant, I can browse through the selection of courses. If there's any prep required, I can go for the prep itself. I can start the application, I can resume application, and I can track the process of it. And the best part, I can do it for multiple applications. Now, like any modern e-commerce platform, they would really love to see all their payment transactions and download their receipts from one place. And as a student, picking a higher education is a big deal altogether. Now, when I am able to log my query, I'm able to track my response, it enhances my experience altogether. It makes me believe in the institute. It increases my user satisfaction. Now, in my applicant journey, the next phase is when I have to go for GD or PI or any other selection procedure. So what will I do? I'll just go click on my slot and book it right from the portal itself. As soon as I'm done booking my slot, I can go, I can attend my interviews, and my result declaration is there on the portal itself. I really don't have to go back and forth, and there's no miscommunication. So as an institution or as a student, if I want to be informed, what institute can do is simply send out the communication. Rather than going for multiple channels and increasing the chances of missing out the communication, what they can do is they can centralize everything and send it towards their applicant or their student. Institute can simply notify and can simply place all the notification at one spot, which is my notifications. So embrace this new tech and say goodbye to the old ways, the digital windows, and the hodgepodge different broken student experiences. Let Student Admission Portal 2.0 take your student experience to a next level.